Okay, no you don't. Okay. So as you can see, we're in Vietnam. As you can see. Over here. Where was the motorcycle? Yeah, anyway. Oh, we're in Vietnam. Hanoi, to be exactly. Yes, yes. Okay. What the hell are you? You're turning and then you just stay there looking. Oh my God. Okay. So this video log is on a good way. Okay. And as you notice that I'm going faster than they are. Well, I consider that to be a safety issue. When I'm going faster than anybody else, there's a less likely chance that somebody will end up ramming my ass. Okay, but as you can see, the roads are pretty empty. I'm actually going now to cut my hair. Yeah, it's been quite long recently, so I might as well try to cut it again. Even if, again, it will end up in disappointment, to be a disappointment. And I don't know how to talk English anymore. Yeah, okay. So it's actually very difficult. You try to concentrate riding your bike, and then you try to talk at the same time. It kind of takes something out of the concentration. And in here, you really have to concentrate, really. As you can see, the traffic and how they drive. Well, actually now they drive pretty nicely. Well, really nicely, that means straight. But yeah, you need to concentrate here. And somehow I feel when I'm talking, I don't concentrate as much. So that's why when I'm talking, I make mistakes. And if I stop talking, I write better. One of my friends actually said that driving in Vietnam is like a 3D video game. Only negative part is that when you die, you really die. So that's not gonna be fun if you die. And I've been lucky so far. Okay, my barber shop is here. Actually a hairdresser, but who's counting? And that's my barber's sister and a mother. And ơi trời ơi. So let's see if I'm gonna get a haircut. Em ơi, cắt tóc anh, cắt tóc cho anh.
Anh ngồi đây, anh ngồi tiếng Anh giỏi, tiếng Việt giỏi đấy.
Yeah, my bike always attracts attention. So I got my hair cut. Now plan to go buy some milk. If I ever gonna get somewhere. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye. Okay, tạm biệt bom. some beers. So, got my hair cut. Gonna go now. Gonna go now to buy some milk. Yeah, buy some milk. Yeah, so got my hair cut, got my head massage. Again, refuse to take money. Well, yeah, that's what friends do, but I don't really like that, you know, not giving money. I don't work without money, and I don't expect anybody else to do the same. I prefer giving money. Okay, so back on the road. It's actually nice and cool. And as you notice, I'm not really all the gear all the time kind of guy. I'm the kind of guy. Okay, that's nice. Notice? Oh, very nice. Nice sparkles. And yes, I have a gear. I have a helmet. I ride with helmet most of the time. Yeah, sometimes I ride without a helmet, but very short distances. And I know you're gonna say, oh my god, this is what I mean. Roundabout, but don't understand how it works. Yeah, so about the gear. Yeah, I have a gear. I have a jacket, I have a pants, I have everything, but while I'm riding in a city, I don't use them. I use a helmet, that's about it. Nothing else. Yeah, I know, I see 70 kilometers per hour, but still. Look. Okay. But still only little gear. I wear the gear, yes, when I go outside the city. Outside the city, yeah, I wear a gear. Inside, no. No, I don't wear a gear. Okay, this is my shop. Time to go shopping. So, no milk. Bit. So let's go home. Oh, by the way, who give way? Well, so, no milk for me today. Yeah, sold out. Yeah, it's not like like Scandinavian countries where you get milk everywhere. Well, you can get milk here too, but unfortunately it's the sweet stuff. I don't like it. I like fresh milk. So there are a few places where I can get milk, like Big C. Well, we can try my luck. And unfortunately, I only like this one brand milk here. So, which makes it a little bit difficult. But the other milks just taste like shit. I cannot help it. They just taste like shit. Okay. So they said tomorrow. Well, tomorrow and tomorrow, who knows? Because, you know, how many milks? Yes, okay, yes, you're a little bit stupid. I fucking hate those guys. Yeah, they said tomorrow, but never know. And tomorrow also arrives this Sarika, this tropical storm. It means no riding. I like riding, but I don't like riding in the storm. Just not my thing, riding in a rain, especially in a tropical storm. It's just too much. Okay, so let's get back to the topic. All the gear, all the time. Yeah, it works some places, but for me, it just doesn't work. Okay, are you going or are you not going or what are you doing? So, yeah, all the gear all the time. Yeah, not for me. I like riding with my t-shirts, not my jeans, my army pants, and normal shoes. And I know there's a risk for it. There's a risk for everything. By the way, let's go highway. Okay, and what are you doing? Yeah, there are risks for it. Understandable. But there's a risk on everything. So I don't really think about it. I just do it most of the time. Yeah, if I go outside the city, yes, I wear gear. I don't know, it's just odd habit. Outside the city, no. Oh, okay. You can argue we're outside the city now. Well, we're not. Okay, on the way, and give me way. Thank you. Yes. So, but yeah, it's a funny thing. Oh, thunder! The storm is arriving today. Let's see. I just hope I'm gonna get home dry. But, oh my God, what are you doing? Okay, and jump. Okay, so, yeah, outside the city, yes, gear. In winter time, yeah, okay, you could wear your leather pants or everything, no problem. But now, well, now it's okay, now it's cool, but in the summertime, it's just too much. It's even too much to go riding sometimes, because it's just too hot. But, yeah. Okay, yeah, this is Vietnamese, like this village road, I would say. Very uneven. It's not even asphalt, it's a concrete road. So it's quite a horrible. You cannot see anything, there's no street lights. Actually, there's some kind of church there. I never saw that before. Never saw. Okay. Ranger. I actually like to have one of those. I'm planning actually getting one. They're not overly expensive, except this Wild Track model. That's actually quite expensive. The Wild Track model. But yeah, it's a little bit expensive. Oh, red lights. And how many people will run red lights now? And that says we have green lights. That says we have red lights. To go and not to go. Okay, now go. Okay. Now, I think it's time to say goodbye. And see you next time. Be safe.